Hi guys, this is Asmita Sood and I'm here today with E Times TV and I'm going to tell you what's in my bag. So like you can see that this bag is like really big, it's quite huge. And usually if I'm traveling or I'm going out for a movie or I'm going out for a meeting, going out to, I don't know, just going out for lunch or something, there's usually my bag is this big because it's more like a survival thing for me, and it's more like a survival kit for me, and it has almost everything that I need in the day. So yeah, I'm gonna today tell you what is in this, and let's get started. So we'll start with something that's one of my fetishes and something that I love collecting, and that is sunglasses. And this one is a beautiful pair from Michael Kors. It is pink in color. Like you can see, I think there's a lot of pink around me, and yeah, this is also pink in color, and it's a pretty pair of sunglasses. And yeah, I always carry a pair of sunglasses because I don't like to really go out in the sun without something that I can shade my eyes with, because I get a headache with sunlight. So yeah, this is what I always have. Then comes so this is like my traveling bag. I just got down from a flight, and I have a lot of things in it. So yeah, I'll tell you what all I have. Okay, so this is a chocolate. I always have a chocolate in my bag, be it any time of the day, and if you ever need a chocolate, you'll find it in my bag. So yeah, guilty. Then yeah, this is a book that I'm reading these days, and I like to carry it with me because I don't like to be on phone all the time. If not, I'm on the phone most of the times, but if not, the rest of the times I would like to read a book. So yeah, this is what I have right now. Currently I'm reading Ikigai, and it's an interesting read. So yeah, this is there. Then we have my wallet. My wallet would have my cards, my cash, my ID. So a wallet is obviously an essential. Again, it's pink in color. Okay. Then I have my charger. We always need a charger, and that's mine. Then yeah, a portable charging device. So you never know, sometimes you don't find a charging plug, you don't find the right place to really keep your phone. So I always carry a portable charger with me. That's there. Then we have okay, so I've been out since morning. So yeah, usually also, otherwise if I go out for shoot early mornings, or if I'm traveling somewhere early morning, I usually carry a fruit with me. It can be an apple, a banana, an orange, because I like to start my day with a fruit, and it's always healthier and it makes me feel good. So yeah, definitely I would want to keep a fruit in my bag. And I also don't feel guilty because I always have a chocolate in my bag, so might as well keep something healthy as well. So yeah, catching the guilt. Okay. Then of course a body mist. I love perfumes also, but also a body mist, because body mist is slightly lighter than a perfume, and you can just spray it on anywhere, like throughout. You can, and throughout your your clothes and everywhere, and it doesn't feel very heavy. So the one that I'm currently using is Noir Tease by Victoria's Secrets, and it's an amazing fragrance, and one of my favorites. Yeah, so it's always there in my bag, my shoot bag, or my travel bag. It's always there. Then we have Moroccan oil, because I think my hair tends to get very frizzy very often, so I like to keep this small handy bottle of Moroccan oil with me. And like you can see that it's already it's completely gone. Like the bottle is the print is completely gone. That is because I use it so much and I use it so often that yeah, I prefer to keep it in my bag all the time. So yeah, Moroccan oil. Then there is a clutcher or a rubber band, because a clutcher because I don't like to keep my hair open all the time. I usually if you talk to any of my friends or anyone, you would see that most of the time my hair is usually tied up in a bun, and so I always have a clutcher or a rubber band in my hand or in my bag, anywhere it has to be there. So yeah, a clutcher and a rubber band. Then lip balm, of course. Like, I don't like dry chapped lips, so I prefer having the lip balm at all times. Even if it's not a big bag, it's a small bag, or even if I'm not carrying a bag, even if I'm not, like just going down and probably just have a pocket or something, I always carry a lip balm with me. So, lip balm. That's an essential. Essential means essential. Then what else do we have? Okay, yeah. So we have compact. Compact is, the weather in Bombay is so humid, and it's always sultry, so your skin tends to really release a lot of oil. So if you're going for a meeting or something, this is just like a quick dab. You don't need to really put on makeup or anything, so just like quickly dab like a bit of compact on your face, and I think you're sorted. So compact. Not to forget sunscreen. Sunscreen is always there, because my face and my body tends to really tan like really fast, so I try and keep a sunscreen in my bag all the time, at least for my arms and my face. Not my face so much, but my arms. Yeah, my arms much. So I use sunscreen for my arms, and always in my bag. Then that's a lot of things, I know. But there's more to come. So yeah, like I said that I don't like chapped lips or dry lips. I also don't like very dry hands, and right now because of COVID, using so much sanitizer really dries up your hands. So I always keep a hand cream with me, and this one is from L'Occitane. A very beautiful fragranced hand cream, and it's really nice, really amazing. So I'm using this hand cream along with the sanitizers that we usually carry. A comb, it's a small cute portable comb. Yeah. Then eye drops, because I use lenses, contact lenses for my sight. So I always carry eye drops, and especially when I'm traveling in the flight and everything, your eyes tend to get dry, so eye drops. Then earphones, always there, always. Like, at the moment I leave home, one of the AirPods has. That's how I just move out of my house. That is also because I try to avoid holding the phone on my ear too much. It just becomes too heavy, and it just becomes too difficult to handle with the bag, with the huge bag that I have and everything else, all the paraphernalia that I carry. So yeah, earphones handy. These are like my go-to, and I don't think I can do without these earphones anymore. So yeah, earphones are always there. Then we have. Okay, so finally, I think there are few things that I think all of us must carry, and I'm sure that all of us must be carrying also, because of COVID. We all have to ensure that we take care of our safety, of our health. So I'll tell you what all I carry for that. I always carry a sanitizer. This is a disinfectant spray. So this is like a surface disinfectant that I use. I don't know how effective it is, but for your personal satisfaction, wherever I go, if I'm going for a meeting, audition, shoot, travel, sitting anywhere, whatever, people think I'm mad, but I just disinfect the surface and only then sit. If it's a cab, it's a car, it's anything, disinfectant it. So this is what I use. Then there is a face mask, of course. A face mask to buy. Then there is a hand sanitizer, because this is a spray hand sanitizer. It's really nice. It's like extremely strong, and that is why I always need a hand cream, because I keep sanitizing and I keep using a hand cream. Sanitize, hand cream. So yeah, that's my life these days. Then I carry this immunity building tablets with me. I'm not doing much to really during this time to really boost my immunity, so I tend to carry this always in my bag. This was suggested to me by a friend, and I think it's quite nice. It's working right now. Till now, so far, it's been working for me. So yeah, these are the tablets that I'm using. I'm not endorsing the brand, but yeah, so these are Ginoy tablets. Yeah, I guess that's about it. That's all that my bag has, and yeah, I hope you guys finally have got enough information and enough track about what all is there in my bag, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And also I hope you guys take good care of yourselves during this time. Please always wear a face mask and keep sanitizing your hands. Keep disinfecting the surfaces wherever you're sitting, standing, or whatever you're touching. Please be very, very careful. Right now, even though the lockdown is lifted, things are slightly easier for all of us, but COVID is still there. It's not gone. All of you, especially people who are working, especially actors like us, models, actors, the frontliners, people who are out there on the field, all of you, please wear a face mask as much as you can. It's really important. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you guys like what all I have in my bag. So bye. See ya.